we're carrying quite a bit of gear with us today just for a little stroll in the woods, and that's because we've bought our Nomad's kitchen stove with us and some duck breasts, and we're going to have a go at cooking up some duck breasts, aren't we, Diane?
We are, yes. Sunday lunch, really.
On a Saturday.
Oh, right, okay. Well, I would never like to be late, so being earlier on time is much better.
Well, there we go. I've got the Nomad's kitchen folding stove set up, and I'm going to cook the duck breasts in the Ridge Monkey. So I'm just going to spray a little bit of oil in there. We'll put the duck breasts in, and then we'll make a start. Right, well, it turns out we've actually forgotten to bring the spray oil, but we reckon there's enough fat on the duck that we'll be able to cook it in its own fat in the Ridge Monkey.
I forgot the plum sauce as well.
I tell you what, that's very well packaged. Now, of course, we should say we're opening the package that whenever you're doing anything like this, it goes without saying that you must take all your rubbish back out of the woods with you. You've got a nice rubbish bag there, haven't you, Dan?
I have. And I actually forgot the plum sauce as well, which I had planned when I was originally going to do it.
Yeah.
Now remember, when you do duck, you do...
Oh yeah, yeah. You cut the
at an angle. Bit more.
It's a bit of a blunt old knife. I think that might have to be good enough.
Would you like me to have a go?
No. That's fine. Right.
I would put it on its back first, so you got the...
You want to put it on its back first? Well, that's all right. I could just flip the Ridge Monkey over, can't I?
That's true. But if you cook it on its back first, you'll get the fat going on it.
That's a good point. Right. Assemble the Ridge Monkey. Right, so Nikki says do it on its back first. So there we go. Make sure any twigs or anything are well out of the way of the flame.
Probably take about 15-20 minutes.
Turn it down a little bit. Well, it's already starting to smell quite good. Oh yeah, look at that, look. Time that was turned over, I think. Right, I reckon that's getting there, isn't it? A little bit longer, I think.
Let's have a look. I like mine a little bit on the rarer side.
That's a bit red inside still, isn't it? Let's do it a little bit longer. I'll turn it over again. Slow it down a bit. Should be good, shouldn't it? Nice bit of duck and salad. Do you want me to take that top one?
Yep. I'll give you all the carrot.
Oh.
That's all right. I'll pinch a bit back. I'll do an exchange. Little ribbons of carrot.
Lovely.
Okay.
Look at that then. So what do you reckon? Do you think that's done?
I think I would like mine. Sometimes you like yours done a bit more.
All right.
I'll have a fork.
Which bit do you want?
What bit would you like?
You want the big bit?
No, you have the little bit. I'll have the little bit.
You have the little bit. I'll have the big bit then.
Looks good. Thank you. My little forest chef.
Yeah. Turn that off now. That'd be nice with a bit of mayonnaise, wouldn't it?
Well, I had some smoked salmon the other day, and this is a little pouch out of it.
Oh, all right.
with a
What's in that then?
sauce. Well, it looks like dill and it looks like a mustard sauce
All
of
right.
some sort.
Well, look, I've got a fly in mine.
So, oh, how did you get a
There you
fly
go.
in there?
Well, it was a live fly.
Oh, right. It's not one I bottled for you earlier, I promise.
Right.
These are a bit slippy, these plates. I'm going to have to do it this way.
Let's try this out then. You can sit with your back to me, eh?
Well, only because I
In
can't.
disgust.
No, for me, that's perfect. It's absolutely perfect.
Actually, yeah, that is perfect, isn't it? Lovely. Very good.
Really good and juicy. With your little stove and the camping pan, it stayed stuck in and it didn't take very long either. And look, we're in a lovely place.
Yeah. Now, I have to say, you do have to be very careful in the woods with a stove. These woods are absolutely soaking wet. It is still very, very wet in here, but I wouldn't be doing this later on in the year once it was dry. I think we'd probably have a cook up on the gravel road if that was the case.
And take it back to my childhood. My aunt did that when I was about 5.
And there we go, all packed away, no trace left.